How to put pictures in TikTok comment. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add pictures to your TikTok comments. It's a fun way to stand out and get creative with the engagement, so let's get started. First things first, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now find the video that you want to comment on. Now simply tap on the comment section. Now as you can see here are 29 comments. Now let's reply to one. Simply click on reply. Now simply click on the red video icon, tap on it. Now as you can see photos at the bottom, tap on it. Now simply choose the photo that you want to give a reply to a comment with. Now simply click on next and make sure the privacy settings is on everyone so that everyone can view your comment. After you've done that, simply click on post. Now once the video is posted, let's see it. Now simply tap on the comment to simply go to the comment section. And as you can see here, our photo comment has been replied on a TikTok. And that's it. You've now learned how to add pictures in your TikTok comment.